Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about how to change the case of text in Excel. So let's start with lowercase. So let's say for some reason we want to make the case of first name and both first name and last name. But let me just show you how to do it with to the first name. So I'm going to use a formula called lower. So equals lower, and then select so converts all letters in a text string to lowercase. So select the cell or text that you want to make lowercase. So in my case, A2. And then you can just double click this. Okay, that's how you can make the text lowercase. And number 2 is uppercase. I'm going to use a formula called upper. And same scenario, we need to select the text that we want to make uppercase. So let's say we want to make the last name uppercase. So I'm going to select that and then close parenthesis. And then we get the the uppercase of the last names. And proper case, meaning this case here, like this normal case or title case. So I'm going to make, let's say, this name as uppercase. So to do that, I'm going to use a formula called proper. Select the text and then close parenthesis. So that's how you can make the last name, in this case, proper case. All right, so that's all I wanted to show you in this video. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.